just nothing but snags, it looks like. Okay, well, I'm done here, I think. Okay, so plan A was a failure, and this is plan B. And look at the difference in water. Nice and clear. Got a fish already. What do we got? First fish of the day is a little smallmouth bass. And when I say little, I mean little. On the EPF Swim though. So right back in. Species number 1 of the day is smallmouth bass. First cast at this next spot. I'm gonna try to catch another fish. The EPF Swim on here, remember? The white color. I've never fished here with my ultralight gear yet, so this is a first. Got a second fish. And this one too is a little smallmouth bass. Chunky little thing. There's a quick look. And right back in the water. Man, this is the cleanest I've ever seen the water in Indiana. Well, had a little bite there. Cast over behind that rock. Oops, we went in the weeds. That was too far. Got a fish though. And here we have another little smallmouth bass. There you go. Only one species so far, but 3 fish since I moved. Alright, I'm gonna cast directly into that sort of hole right there. There should be something hiding in there. I was right. I have a fish. And it's another little smallmouth bass. Here we go. There's a quick look. Wow, this water is low. Even the algae sticking out over here. That's unusual. Oh, I had a nibble. Got a fish. And this one is another smallmouth bass. Another little one. Only one species so far today. And they're all aggressive. They're all little smallies. One guy said he caught a rock bass in here before. This stretch here, there's no structure. There's not many rocks. Is that a turd? Bro, is that a turd? Oh my God, I think that's a turd right there. Holy shit. Literally. I think we literally have a turd right here. Right there. That might be feces, I'm not sure. It definitely looks suspicious. I don't know about the rest of you guys, but to me that 100% looks like feces. The way it's jiggling, floating. Oh, there's a big old rock. Look at that. That's a big boy. I won't trip over that. Oh, an old mattress. Check that out. There's an old mattress right here. Snagged. Not me, him. That guy's snagged. How deep are you snagged? I might be able to get it for you. A few little ones. Wasn't really going for anything significant. Doing a little casting, doing a little filming, you know. Where are you? Just on that log right there? What you got on it?
Oh, just got on a crawl. Soft plastic crawl. I'm on a weightless right now.
Gotcha. Oh yeah, you're in there. There you go. Yep, no problem. I was fixing to turn around. I saw you get snagged. I said, I'll go down there. I got the waders on, you know. Need me to come get him? I can come get him. Where is he? He's down right there. What pound test you got?
Right now I got on, I think, 8-pound test.
There you go. Oh, caught a leaf. That's a sycamore. Oh, snagged. Looks like I'm snagged on somebody's line. Got it back. Oh yes. Hooked up with one. What do I have? Is that a bluegill? Oh, it's a sunfish. Well, it's definitely beautiful. Back into the water. Change the battery. Step a little bit closer here. I don't know if I got that rock bass on video or not. Got a fish. Alright, little jump there. This one's a smallmouth. Only got 6-pound test on here. Well, that's certainly the biggest smallmouth of the day. There we go. That's the biggest smallmouth of today. Look at that. Nice little fish. Those rocks are a good area over there. Oh, it nipped at it. I pulled it away too fast though. Pulled it away too quickly. Got a fish. Oh, there we go. That's a nice rock bass too. Check this out. That's a good one. That's a good rock bass right there. Look at how golden, that red eye. Beautiful. What a beauty. All right. It's another rock bass. Got a fish. It was a little bit off camera over there, but this one is definitely a sunfish. Check that out. Beautiful sunfish. What a beauty. Right back in the water. So I'm looking at it and it turned away. Well, it looks like they'll bite if something falls in front of them. That's good to know. Got something. Got something that time. It's a smallmouth. There we go. Another little smallmouth bass on the day. Something grabbed it. Something grabbed that. And this one. Is that a big old rock bass or is that a... Yeah, it is. Wow. That's a sizable rock bass right there, folks. Alright, here's the rock bass right there. Good looking fish. That's the kind you'd eat right there. Barely hooked. Just flopped right off there. Jumping over there and... Oh, holy cow, dude. I think that's a smallmouth jumping over there. Is there a crack pipe down there? No, that's a spoon. Good lord. My mind is in the gutter. That's how you can tell I've seen some things. Shiny thing in the water. What is it? It's a crack pipe? No, it's a spoon. Of course, that spoon could have been used to cook meth too. You never know. Is it a meth spoon or is it a dinner spoon? No one will ever know for sure. Oh, grab something. Grab something there. Another fish. This also a rock bass. Jeez, this guy's a chunk too. Look at that. That's a chubby one. Oh, he wiggled out of my hand. Oh, something grabbed it and let it go. Okay, let's try that again. There, I hooked it that time. What do we got? Looks like another sunfish of some kind. Yeah, I'd have to say that one's a long ear. Look at that flap. This one's got a real nice flap on him. Nice looking long ear. Alright. Something else grabbed it. And what do I have? Oh, is this a new species? Oh, it is. Oh my gosh, it's a white bass. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Well, that's another new species for the day. Huh. Alright, well. An unexpected catch for sure. Something grabbed it. That looks like a smallmouth. See that? No way. Rock bass. Look at this guy. It's got to be a 6-inch fish. Wow. That's a big boy for this river. This river's more like a large creek than it is an actual river. Something else grabbed it already. Let's see what we got. And this is another rock bass. Okay, we're starting to get repetitive, but this one is thicker than that last one for sure. Nice looking rock bass right there. Something just smacked the top of the water over there. I'm gonna cast over there and see if there's anything around. And I have a fish already. And that's probably the fish that smacked the top of the water, to be honest. It's a smallmouth pulling. Not a huge fish, but like I say, I'm only dealing with 6-pound test here. So I'm gonna have to let him fight a little bit. Not a big fish by any means, but solid for this river. Quality fish here. Oh, he gave me bass thumb just there. That's not a bad fish. That's a good looking smallie. Pop him back down in the water here. Nice. I'm not gonna cast over there anymore. And the fish are like, actually, this is where you should be casting, dude. These things are magic. They catch anything. Ripped that right off there, but you know what he didn't rip off there? The soft lock for this tungsten jig. So I can just thread another one of these boys on here. Put the soft lock piece in the jig hole, and there you go. Got another one. Oh, this is a tiny guy. Is this our target though? No, this is another long ear. Holy cow, it's a little one too. He barely got any of that in his mouth. Tiny little long ear sunfish. All right. There's a little fish. What do we have? It's a little smallmouth bass. Right there. Right here. Another smallie. A small smallie. Certainly not the biggest of the day. Oh man, there's a dead frog right there. What? What in the world's going on here? There's a... Oh, that was a frog that was used for bait, it appears. Yikes, I'm not messing with that. A couple more casts and I'm gonna have to go because the sun is setting. And I don't want to be out here when it's cold and dark. That's a fish. Hey, there we go. Pulling a little drag because you got a little current to work with. Smallmouth's a little bit bigger than the last one. Not a bad fish. Not a bad fish at all. About a 12-incher maybe. Maybe more like 11. It's got a nice little dark spot on him there. Good looking fish. Oh, he's chomping that. Oh man, he's biting me. Look at that. Look at him go. Look at him chomping on me. Chomp, chomp. Hungry little dude. Here, go catch a fish. Or a craw. A few little ones. Yeah.
I caught a walleye right down there one time about 20 years ago.
Really?
Yeah.
It's good to know. You have a good one now.
Good luck, Chris.
Yeah, thank you. Oh, a bluegill. There we go. This one is a pure breed bluegill. That's another species. Okay, I'm gonna end the episode with this bluegill. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, hit subscribe, hit the like button, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys next time. Oh, he's chomping that. Oh man, he's biting me. Look at that. Look at him go. Look at him chomping on me. Chomp, chomp. Hungry little dude. Here, go catch a fish. Or a craw.